Today's episode is very exciting. We'll be diving into a new ingredient that is taking the skincare world by storm. No, I'm not talking about vitamin C or snail slime. I'm talking about alpha hydroxy-acids. Hello everyone and welcome back to Beauty Talks. On this show, we dive deep into everything related to skincare in order to help you perfect your routine and get a healthy, radiant complexion. As I said in the introduction of this video, today's topic is all about alpha hydroxy-acids. While some of you know what I'm talking about, others might be a bit confused. I won't keep teasing you for long, so grab your favorite snack and let's jump into it. What are alpha hydroxy-acids? Alpha hydroxy-acids, better known as AHAs, are a combination of acids derived from milk and fruits. You can find AHAs in numerous skincare products like creams, serums, and oils. There are 6 types of alpha hydroxy-acids. Citric acid derived from citrus fruits, glycolic acid derived from sugar canes, mandelic acid derived from bitter almonds, lactic acid derived from lactose, malic acid derived from fruits, and tartaric acids derived from grapes. If you're like me and love to know everything about skincare, then you're obviously wondering what each of these acids does. Let's have a quick look over their individual uses. Citric acid, as mentioned before, is derived from citric fruits such as lemons, oranges, berries, grapefruits, and much more. This acid acts primarily as an exfoliant and antioxidant. Glycolic acid has the smallest molecules, which allows better penetration into the skin's layers. This acid is great when dealing with fine lines, a rough skin texture, or any kind of aging concern. Mandelic acid is the least popular AHA because there isn't much research on its benefits. However, and contrary to glycolic acid, it's large in size, making it potentially less irritating. It also possesses antibacterial properties unlike any other AHAs. Lactic acid is milder than glycolic acid, making it more tolerable for sensitive skin. It also helps hydrate and reduce dark spots for a more even complexion. Malic acid, found in fruits like apples, is known for its brightening properties. It provides a more targeted exfoliation, improving skin texture and smoothing fine lines and wrinkles. Tartaric acid, the last acid on our list. This acid helps maintain the skin's pH levels and is more often used in skincare as an anti-aging agent. I hope I didn't lose you with all this information. If you're still here, we're gonna move on to my favorite part of the show. In this section, we'll discuss the benefits of AHAs. Since they are numerous, we won't be able to cover all of them in one video. However, I chose to go in depth about citric acid because it's a main ingredient in the BB Clear range, a group of products that I have tried and loved on my skin. So, what are the benefits of using citric acid? Exfoliates. Citric acid, like all AHAs, is mostly known for its exfoliating action. The process consists of eliminating the upper layer of the skin where the damaged cells are located. These damaged cells can cause your complexion to look uneven. To effectively remove the layer of dead skin cells, it's vital to use a good exfoliator once or twice a week. The BB Clear soaps will get rid of damaged cells, revealing a new, more even skin. However, choose the BB Clear clarifying soap if you deal with normal to dry skin, as it is extremely gentle and hydrating. If you deal with combination or oily skin, you should instead get the BB Clear exfoliating soap to effectively eliminate excess sebum. Improves appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Used regularly, citric acid can make the skin thinner and increase collagen production, reducing fine lines and making the skin firm and supple. It also has moisturizing properties which help the skin maintain its hydration levels. Using a face mask like the BB Clear Sheet Mask can help treat the skin and hydrate its deepest layers. It also works to tighten pores, providing a more youthful-looking complexion. Prevents imperfections. Citric acid is an extremely gentle cleanser, meaning that it won't cause the skin to break out or the pores to clog. It acts to protect the skin from damages without the risk of irritating or damaging its cells. Using serums like the BB Clear Serum will help clear up some imperfections like hyperpigmentation and acne scars. It also works to reduce dark spots and melanin buildup and boost cell turnover. Hydrates. It might seem weird that an exfoliating agent should be moisturizing, but that's the beauty of AHAs. The increase in hydration allows for a more youthful look and improves the overall health of your skin. Products like the BB Clear Cream will work wonders to help restore and strengthen the skin's natural barrier. That's it for today's video. I know this video was filled with information, so if you're still watching, thank you for going down the rabbit hole with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, take care, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!